Hello mga kamahadera! Welcome to my room. So ayan, ituturo ko kayo sa aking simpleng room. So I have my sabitan ng mga nagamit na damit. Ayan. Tapos meron akong yoga mat which I haven't used for quite some time now. May tubig. Tapos ayan, yung aking fake flowers, my candles, and then my fresh flowers tayo galing sa mga dati kong kasamahan sa work. Ayan. My candle from Libra. So, napakasimple. I have my dresser. Tapos, meron tayong 3-door cabinet or closet. We'll do a closet tour next time. And then, I have my Dyson air purifier, humidifier, and cooler, which I love kasi may allergy ako and asthma. And then my bed. The beddings are from IKEA, which I really love. Napakalambot. And I have my books in here on this side. I have my 32 inches yata to na smart monitor. And wala akong TV, so ito na yung ginagamit ko for watching Netflix, YouTube, blah blah blah. Then I have my MacBook which I got 6 years ago and malaking tulong sa akin. So now hindi na ako nakakapag-airdrop, so bumili ako ng bagong laptop. Ang MacBook na to pala ginagamit ko din for editing videos, blah blah blah. So napakalaking tulong talaga, and Asus mo nang pinili ko kasi wala pa tayong budget for MacBook. And then I have my iPad, malaking tulong din. And then I have my cherries which I just got last time, my notebooks, and then my view. I have a really good view. So that's it, guys. Hope to see you again next time. Bye.